bacon wrapped or regular cream cheese stuffed sausage. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna start out with a regular brick of cream cheese. Drop that. We're gonna do 1 cup of shredded cheese. Boom. Then to mix it up a little bit, we are going to do about a half a cup of crispy onions. And then you don't need a spoon or a fork or anything to mix this up. Just use your hands. Mix this bad boy up. Now in this mixture, you can add whatever you want. Really, there's no rules to this, so we're just gonna mix this up. And I'm gonna add our green chili bacon rub to this mix. Give it a nice little pop. Mix this up. Okay, now we can put this to our side. So we got our standard bratwurst here. So all we're gonna do is just cut a slit right on the top. We're just gonna cut that casing. I'm gonna cut it on all of these. Now that your casings are cut, you're gonna kind of wanna push down a little bit, make yourself a little hole. So these are gonna be boats. You're kind of making a boat here. So let's just press these down on all of these. Now that you got your bratwurst split open, we are going to add our cream cheese mixture. You can kind of roll it like that, whatever's easier, helps you put it in there. And we're just gonna stuff them and fill them up. Now as you're stuffing these, you can also wrap these in bacon. So I think I will do half and half. I'll wrap half in bacon and the other half I'll just kind of let roll, because these sausages don't take long to cook. At 165 degrees, they're done. And that'll take about, I'm gonna guess 30, 45 minutes. So it's not a very long cook. And if you're gonna wrap these in bacon, the sausages are gonna be done before the bacon's cooked. But that's okay, because the bacon's gonna provide all that moisture that's gonna go right back into this bratwurst. Bacon wrapped bratwurst, who doesn't like that? So we're gonna wrap these. I'm gonna wrap about 3 of them, I think. And then I'm gonna let the other ones go. So that's all you do, wrap them. I like to use the cheap bacon, and for you guys that follow this channel know why I use cheap bacon. Real cheap bacon will cook and render very quickly than thick cut, butcher's cut bacon. So I like to kind of just roll them out like this. All right, we got our boats wrapped. I got half with bacon, half without. And let's go throw them on our grill. The GMG is now fired up to 300 degrees. We're gonna throw it on there. And like I said, it's probably gonna take 30 to 45 minutes for the ones that are not covered. The other ones, I'm gonna push a little bit longer until the bacon is crisp and cooked and ready to roll. So let's go throw it on the grill. Oh man, these came out perfect. The bacon's nice and crisp. Cream cheese is perfect. Oh man, you guys definitely have to make this at your next party. If you enjoyed this video, wait till you see what I'm cooking next. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss a thing.